All right, everybody. Wanted to put this out to you guys as a little bit of extra help for Activity 4, as I've got a lot of questions. And again, I know this is a little bit confusing because we're not really able to do the experiments in person. So let me just go back over, what I've got here in Schoology, what we can see on the Concord website, and how we can move forward. You guys did a great job with the warm up. A lot of detail in our instructions, right? And in Activity 4, part of the goal here is to start to learn how to draw up our own procedures. Okay. Um, this second link here, or the second item, first link, I should say, is a video that I made. I shared with you guys yesterday. It's not as great a quality as I had expected, but that's just sort of what I'm working with right now. So, on top of that, I gave you guys this spreadsheet, and if you are reading through Activity 4 on here, yep, I'm in Activity 4. When you get to the part where you're trying to test out the experiment, you are um, you're really only able to choose these different combinations. So you might have only, if we were doing this in person, I might have you pick three combinations. So you might pick the glass rod and the felt pad, or the rubber rod and the felt pad, or the acrylic rod and the silk pad. So what I did is I tested all of those combinations, and I gave you the results. And there's sort of two parts to Activity 4. There's some questions that asks you how it reacts with the balloon, and there's some questions about how it reacts with the B and the T pieces of tape from previous activities. Okay, so hopefully, again, I know it's tough not being able to do some of this stuff in person, but hopefully this information clears things up. Once you get through that, remember the checks for understanding are designed to be coming, after you experience everything else. So use this data that I presented you. Finish your way through Activity 4 on the Concord website. Again, hopefully this helps, and I will talk to you guys soon.